You ready? You ready? You ready?
This is gonna be a pathetic match.
We should just tap only.
Okay, guys, welcome to the match. This is gonna be assault rifles only.
Oh, you pissed
Going
me
to
down.
8. So,
Distraction!
distraction, flash. I flashed you. Can't see nothing.
Stop it.
What? What?
They call me the wizard.
Cherry.
No, just the wizard.
No, just the wizard.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Hey, Spencer, look at the ship, dude. Oh, wow, I'm distracted!
I thought about getting the M4 because it's more accurate,
Go get
but let's go, baby.
Cuckoo fucks me over every time, dude.
Every time.
What are we
Okay,
going?
this AK instead.
Come on, let's go.
I was just greeting you, man!
I was just I was just killing you. How does it feel to be betrayed by your own friend?
Come on, let's go.
I should probably drink some. I want to jump on this. Ha! Ha! Stop it! I'm trying to go in the box. Let me. What is lag?
Don't blame lag. You're at 60 ping.
You're at 5!
Yeah, so I'm host. I'm supposed to be at 5. But lag is when you're at like 200.
Guys, I tell you, we kill them all.
I want this AK. Why am I should stop reloading. I should just pick up a new AK.
Oh, dude.
It's like, oh, here, I need to reload. Let me just pick up this AK. Dude, I know you're so lit. I just need to hit you once.
You're lit. What are you lit for?
I have 16 HP. Why?
I have 8.
You. Oh my. Shoot through the boxes.
Yeah, did I hit you at all?
No. You only had 8 HP. Come on.
I told you I only have 8.
I know. That's what I was saying. You only had 8. Why couldn't I kill you?
Because I'm the best.
I want this AK. It's better.
We must work together.
Alright. Ah! I'm picking my gun!
Pick him again.
Stop fucking shooting me, man. Stop it.
You must have hit me through the wall because it said you hit me 5 times. You used an M4 to kill me?
Yeah, I have spray control. This is the only gun I have spray control with.
Yeah, with the M4A1.
We must move.
No, with this one. I'm looking for an what? Spencer!
Hey, it's not.
I was just trying to look at this guy. You are my guy, man. What the fuck
What you freaking do?
This is what we have been working for.
Where am I at, Spencer? Where am I at? Why you have an op? How do you get in?
Magic. It's not like you're gonna find one up top or anything.
You went up top?
Maybe.
I'm fucking done with this game, man.
I dropped it.
I'm about to kill someone. Like my cat.
We did say ARs only, so I
Now
dropped it.
is the time.
Yeah, I went automatically cheat.
Oh my gosh. The true OG. And I got an achievement. Black Bag Operation, dude. I don't even know what that freaking means.
Why am I getting wrecked?
I want this gun set. I want this AK better. This AK's more toned to me.
Google, I asked Google why I'm getting wrecked, and he's not answering at all.
I had a chance to kill you. I decided not to.
I know, I looked at you and I was like,
Ronnie, this could be it. There's ops up top. Dude, if you jump on the boxes, you can get an op.
Hey Spencer, you should know that Ronnie can't opt.
Let's go.
That's true. everyone check out my previous video if you want to find out why Ronnie cannot.
Do it.
Yeah,
You should be.
I have half HP. Oh, and that's GG.
We have defeated them.
Gosh. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a thumbs up.
Let's go, my brother.
That's the end of the video, and now I'm gonna come over here and knife. Actually, he's not even spawned in. He left. I'll just shoot where he would be.